What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This will be a special one for you guys that are wondering or looking in the market how much it is to buy and afford a 911 GT3 or whatever at this kind of level. Give you guys some context, my name is Benji. I've been going through many cars, many car loans to build up to this level, so that's kind of the first requirement. Unfortunately, I don't have dad's money, or otherwise I would get more cars. I'm about to turn 27, just to give you an age idea. I got this a little bit after 26. I know, happy birthday to me, thank you. Wondering what I do, it's blue collar stuff, just putting in the body, labor, effort into it. But let's get back into affording this thing. Now at the end of last year, October, I saw this car, 2014 911 GT3. It's the 991.1. I was looking for one that had the better engine replaced already, so I don't have to worry about warranty, which ends in August of this year. I saw it listed for like 143,000 or something. So I talked to him, made an offer. We got it down to 137,000. It was in a different state. Now before finding this one, I wanted to get one from a dealership. I had a Carrera GTS I was gonna trade in, but for some reason the bank stuff fell through and they wanted a crazy interest rate at like 12 or 14% just because it's 10 years old. And I don't know if it's worth getting a car like this just to have it and pay 14%. That's just ridiculous. So I ended up finding this guy. We agreed to 137,000. I put 27,000 down, so about 20-25%, something around there. His bank was 5.3% interest or so, and that's pretty crazy for that time and for this age of a vehicle. So now you guys know what it took to pay for it, to initially get it. Now let's get into what it costs to have every month and kind of a cost breakdown over 6 months. As you can tell, these 9,000 RPM sound glorious, and this key matches it perfectly, the outside. Now let's talk about this 137,000 car after 27k down. It's 110 financed, what it costs per month with 5% interest. Now for the insurance, you're probably gonna guess, oh, $500-600. No, it's $275.58 per month to insure this one. I do have 2 other vehicles on there, so each one brings it down a little bit. Now broken down in 6 months, this comes out to $1,653.49. If you do it a year, that's $3,306.98 per year just to insure this car. Now I don't drive it so much. I put lower miles on the insurance, so maybe that's why it's lower, but it's true, I only drive it maybe on the weekend to the gym, stuff like that. Now for the actual payment per month, it comes out to $1,778.24. That's per month to finance, pay this car off. Now doing this times 6 for 6 months, half a year, it comes out to $10,669.44. And if you want to calculate it by year, for the total year, it comes out to $21,338.88 just to own this car. Now if you're wondering about spec, it has cool gold wheels from factory, steel brakes, so no carbon ceramics, and it's pretty base. It doesn't have the front lift, it doesn't have carbon buckets or anything, but that's fine. So the total to own, pay the financing, pay the insurance for 6 months, which I've roughly owned it for 6 months, comes out to $12,322.93. Now I didn't have any issues whatsoever yet with this car, mechanical or anything. I just had to change the tires, and then for the registration for the year it was $544.05, which is not bad at all considering how much this car cost. And for the new tires, I put Cup 2 tires, and this is about $2,364. So all in all, for half a year it cost me $14,959.63. Let me know down in the comments, would this be worth it to you? I think for me it's pretty worth it. I have the dream car I wanted. I get to drive it whenever I want. I don't have to go rent it or anything. It is annoying paying payments, but the goal is just to pay it off eventually. Just have it paid off in the garage. Let me know in the comments, do you pay cash? Do you finance? What's your dream car you want to get one day and you're working towards to? I'd like to know. I may have another car coming that was on the channel before, and I can tell you guys what that costs and everything as well in a separate video. Maybe you guys can guess what that is, but that's coming soon. We're gonna go to the track June 1st. Stick tuned for that. We did it with the Carrera. Now it's time with the real big boy GT3. That's gonna be a ton of fun. You guys will want to stick around, subscribe to see more of this car performing, doing some mods to this. I would love to get some bucket seats if I can find a deal for this. And then the next car is gonna be crazier than before on this channel. I want to do something to it that I've never done before, so you'll have to subscribe and find what that is. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Since you guys stuck around a little bit, you'll get a nice reward with this sound right here.